Finding yourself in a seated position, we're going to move into a meditation right away. Maybe taking a moment to settle yourself in your chair, to put your feet on the floor, to roll those shoulders back, to open the heart space, and to start to move the breath. Today, I just want to invite you to really settle in and explore the sense of abundance that flows through your life. So even with each breath, inhaling, pausing at the top, and then exhaling, pausing at the bottom, creating space in between each breath. And allowing each breath to just wash over your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's totally okay and normal. Just bringing it back either to the breath as you follow the inhales and exhales, or bringing it back into your body, feeling your body sitting in a chair or touching the floor. Maybe you're driving a car and listening, feeling the steering wheel in your hands. And just sensing the abundance of breath that flows through your body. You might even take a moment and sense into the heart that beats in your chest. Maybe you can feel your heartbeat in your fingertips if you really pay attention. Or you might even place a hand on your chest and feel your heart beating. And just for a moment, recognize and acknowledge all of these miraculous bodily systems that are working and functioning and moving through you with no effort on your part. The abundance of life that is given to you each day, with each moment, with each breath, with each heartbeat, and maybe sensing and feeling that every cell of your body is fed and nourished as your heart pumps blood through your body. And as you feel into this sense of abundance that lives and breathes and moves through you, you might just allow a soft smile to settle on your face, a little grin. Feel the edges of your mouth just curl up gently. And even with that very simple physical gesture, just notice if there's any sort of shift in your state of being or your mindset, your attitude, the way you feel inside. And really just start to lean into any sense of happiness or joy that is arising through this meditation. You might even visualize your heart space, that there's swirling colors in your heart space, and with each breath, with each moment of acknowledgement that you're just clearing space for a bright white light to start at the very center of your heart and just grow and spread through your body, over your shoulders and down into your hands and fingertips. into your hips and thighs and over your quadriceps and kneecaps, running all the way down your shins into your ankles and toes, to just feel this sense of light and lightness inside of you. And now you might allow yourself to move into your imagination for just a moment and visualize someone or something or a life circumstance that feels like a gift in your life, that feels like grace handed straight to you, that you didn't deserve, that you didn't earn, that was just given. Something that brings you joy just to look at it or think of it. And just for a moment, savor that sense of joy in your body. Even identify, where in my body do I feel joy or gratitude? And how are those two the same for me? And how are they different? You might keep kind of feeding your mind on this image of this thing or person that brings you joy. And just let it kind of radiate through your body and flood you. And when it feels right, you might place a hand on your heart. You might bow your head even and just whisper thank you. And maybe you're saying thank you to a higher power as you understand him or her. Maybe you're saying thank you to the universe. But in some way, you are mirroring and reflecting back this deep gratitude that you feel inside of you. And you are sending it out into the world. Wishing the same peace and joy and gratitude for all beings everywhere. And you might even lower your hands and in your imagination see yourself sitting hand to hand in a circle, a great wide circle as far as the eye can see. Of family, of friends, of enemies, of strangers, of every size, shape, color. And feel that you are one in this great human family. And that what you're feeling inside right now, this light, this peace, this joy and gratitude that radiates from your center here, is the same light and peace that radiates inside every other person that you see. At our center, We are one. We are the same. When you are ready, opening your eyes, hands to heart center. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.
Don't forget to download your free mini course. You can also subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on our latest courses, retreats, and upcoming events. We are here to help you heal and thrive, mind, body, and spirit.